Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back another day. Today I will tell about Norail district. So let's start the video. Norail district located in Khulna division of southwestern Bangladesh covers an area of 990.23 square kilometers. Established in 1984. It is divided into three upazilas: Norail Sodor, Lohagara and Kalia. The district is known for its rich cultural heritage, including traditional folk music and art. The Sita River flows through Norail, enhancing its natural beauty. Agriculture is the primary livelihood, with rice, jute, and vegetables being major crops. Notable landmarks including the Dighalia Zamidar Badi and the birthplace of renowned painter S.M. Sultan. Norail is also home to the annual Baul Mela, celebrating the majestical Baul music traditional. সো বন্ধুরা, এই ছিল দ্বিতীয় দিনের ভিডিও। পরবর্তী ভিডিওতে দেখা হবে। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।